Assalamu alaikum. My name is Atbar Mohammed, and today I'm going to show you the project idea that we have worked on and we have discussed about. I have discussed the project idea with my group member Hamza Akhtar. He is the only group member that I have, and we are just two guys working together. So let's jump right into the PowerPoint presentation. Okay, let's go to the full screen. Project idea, group members Hamza Akhtar, and then it is me. The basic idea which tells you about the simple idea is to create a book recommendation system. There will be a book recommendation system which will recommend you books. Okay, very simple, but it is not that simple to implement. This book recommendation system will work on multiple things. All right, we will discuss those things into methodology. All right, so the problem statement is that some of the people who are new into the books or book reading, they do not know where to start from, and they question themselves, what should I read or where should I start from? And then they come to a conclusion that maybe there are too many books, and they get overwhelmed by the complexity and the number of books that are available in the market, that they confuse and they do not know which one to buy. All right, so this is a problem. And for these type of people who are literally new in reading books and then reading stuff, so I want to create a book recommendation system for them. All right, which will recommend them books depending on their preferences, their choices, what type of book they want to read. It will recommend them that type of book. All right.
Further, I will describe first of all, I will describe about methodology of this project. So, because this is an GUI, graphical user interface based application, so initially we will design an what we can say home page. We will design a home page in which we use JLabel, JForm, uh, as well as JButton for login and sign up. And in this application we have a login and sign up system as well. So initially we will design a login system, a sign-in system, so a user can easily make account of our application. And we also have token system as well. So when a user make an account in our application, so he or she will have 20 tokens. And because tokens is very necessary in this application, because for buying any book you have to pay some tokens. And after making login and sign up system, we will make algorithm of suggestion a book, because it is a book suggestion application by choosing our category. So after login and sign up system, we will make algorithm that how application will suggest a book by choosing just a category or subcategory. And after that we will design a database system, and as well as how token manipulation. So as I say earlier, a user have to pay some coins. So now I will describe further about this, that when you buy a book, you have to give 5 tokens to application. And after reading a book you have to submit a review, and after a review submission you will get 2 tokens of bonus. And initially when you make an account, so you will have you will be given 20 tokens by application, so you can easily buy a book.
And then we come to the major outcomes. What do we get from this thing? The major outcome that we are getting is a book recommendation system. Of course, this is the major outcome, the biggest one. And then the thing that we are getting is user satisfaction. The user came, the user selected the video, they selected the option. Okay, they chose everything by themselves, and then by the end of the time when they will complete or they will finish reading the book, they will be happy that they chose the right book. And all of this was possible just because of their own idea, their own selection, and their own preference. And then this will satisfy them, and there will be higher user satisfaction. All right. The third point says easier book discoverability. Let's get back to the problem statement, I said that there are some people who are confused which book to read. Okay, especially the ones who are at the beginner level and who have never read any book in their life before. So this is going to be very helpful for those people, especially those people, and discovering new books and discovering the book that best suits their preferences. Okay, and then the last one is community building. I talked about the leaderboard. The higher rank you will have, you will be on a better position on the leaderboard. All right, and then there will be a community. There will be people playing or people reading those books. They will be getting those tokens, and then they will be on the leaderboard trying to compete with each other, and as a result a community will be built. So these are the major outcomes that I think are possible in this entire system, in this entire project.
We have a ranking, we have made a ranking system. Like if anyone has book just 5 books, so he will be in beginner category, and if a user have 5 to 15 books, so will be in intermediate category. Then we have semi advanced level category, so to 15 to 25 books. And then we have advanced category for 25 to 35 books. Then we have intellectual category for 35 to 45 books, and then we have intellectual led category to 45 to 50 books and more than 50 books. So we have a ranking system and a leaderboard panel as well in this application. So now timeline, timeline is very important. So if we talk about project timeline, so according to our Gantt chart, in the first week we will set up algorithm as well as login and sign up system and some initial touch. And in second week we will finalize with the login and sign up system and connect it with the database. In the third week we will try to finalize our graphical user interface part of the code and the written implementation of our book system, because we have a collection of book data, because it's a book suggestion application. So an application should have variety of books data. So we will write the data of books. We will initialize all the data of books in the code in our third week. And the fourth week we will test and debug our application, that what are the errors we are facing. And after that week we will inshallah finalize our application and we will be ready with our project. So in the end, if we talk about conclusion, so it looks like a very simple application, but we have some different manipulations to make it very effective. Like book suggestion, it's a very tough thing to suggest a book by some categories. There are a list of books, but find out the best books and effective books for learning. And it is a book recommendation. It will make easiness for our user. Second thing, higher user engagement by token manipulation and leaderboard system. We make it higher user engagement application. Diversity in contents, many books for categories and subcategories. User have many choices to read or buy a book. And also we will include a review submission as well in this application. So it's a very basic application, but it will be very beneficial and a problem solving application as well. So this is all about our project idea. So now I am going to end my project idea video. Thank you very much.